Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a very cool, recently completely restored 1963 Volkswagen Beetle. Beautiful job on the restoration done by one of the best companies here in Columbus to restore vehicles, especially these kind of vehicles. And it was restored inside and out. Has a 1200cc engine, 4-speed manual transmission, kind of a red and cream mix inside. Beautiful paint inside and out. Old Bendix AM/FM radio, works after it warms up, of course. Nice clear lenses on the gauges. Starts up first time every time. The engine has been rebuilt and it runs extremely well. The restoration had authenticity in mind, kept all the parts that they could on it. And it runs extremely well. Drives, what a great driver. The most recent owner actually put these vents in the back as well. Give you a little air in the back and a little flow through. Again, this runs and dries very well. Some of the most recently done things are the paint, brakes, brake lines, tires. No problem running. This, I mean, for a 1963, this thing is in impeccable condition and very well taken care of. Cool rack, very easy on, easy off. Keep it on there if you need to or want to, and take it off if you need to or want to. A lot of the original parts come with it as well. This is a kind of a no-brainer. Priced awesomely for a very, very cool car. 1963 Volkswagen Beetle. Turnkey, ready to go right now. All the hard work has been done, taken care of by some people that had the attitude that this was a cool car, and they kept it a cool car, and it is a cool car today. Make sure you hang out the end video. I have some pictures of the undercarriage and the trunk and the engine compartment. Easy to see. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. CruisinClassicsinc.com. Give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out in any way we can. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.